Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up your Amazon Pay Later to bank account. Well, to do this it is very easy thing to do. On the top right you will see your profile icon, click on it, and once you click on it you will get this option of Amazon Pay Balance. So now you have to again click on it. So here, as you can see here, it will show your name, your phone number, and here you have to, without moving to the next step, first of all, you have to provide your identification details, and this is the limit of around 10K, that is monthly limit. So here you can just verify your account by using four documents. That is, first one is a PAN card, passport, voter ID, and driving license. So once you have entered your ID, you can just click on continue. Then it will show you the another things. So here you have to choose it as a checkout for purchase. So here select a repayment plan, then you will get a dashboard, right? So you have to access Amazon Pay Later dashboard, which is usually you can just do it from same way. So once you have made your account, just go to your Amazon Pay balance, and here it will show you your Amazon Pay Later dashboard, right? So here you can just view your balance and due dates, use the link account, bank account, or debit card to repay, right? So basically this is the easiest way to set up your Amazon Pay Later bank account. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.